Donc là, je suis parti derrière. C'est un bordel ici.
I am honored, thank you, to have been working with the whole team. Thank you very, very much, and I thank you, Martin.
Well, thank you very much for the wonderful things you said about me, and thank you so much for the wonderful work that you have done for so many years. I mean, it's amazing. You now, how old are you now? 80 or is it 70?
It's private.
It's private.
79.
79, but with 79 years of age, think about this. He's scuba diving for hours and hours, days and days, weeks and weeks, and all year round. I mean, this guy is really in shape. I mean, I've been promoting health and fitness my whole life, but here's the ultimate of health and fitness right here next to us. And someone that also believes 100% not only in the health and fitness of the body, but the health and fitness of the world. And that is really the most important thing. So congratulations for the wonderful work that you do. Let's give him a big hand again. I just want to say, I got involved with this project because I have become an environmental crusader. I'm an environmental crusade around the world, doing speeches and seminars and lectures. And when I was governor of the state of California, we passed some of the most, I should say, the toughest environmental laws in order to protect the environment. You know, to roll back the greenhouse gases to the 1919 level, to have 50% of renewables, and the list goes on and on and on. And this movie is absolutely extraordinary. And what I love about this movie is that when I go sometimes to environmental conferences, I hear environmentalists talk about when you burn the fireplace, you create CO2. When you drive your truck, you produce CO2. When you take a jacuzzi, you produce CO2. And every single move you make, you say to yourself after, what can I do then? Well, I think that this finger pointing and making people feel guilty doesn't work. I think it's nonsense. I think what I like about this movie is it does the opposite. It doesn't look at the world or at the glass half empty. It looks at the glass half full. So what you see is a visual feast about the extraordinary beauty of the ocean. And as Jacques Cousteau said, you protect what you love. And so what we want to do through this movie, through this 3D visual feast, and this extraordinary footage, is make people fall in love with the ocean. And the reason why we are calling it the wonders of the sea is because think about it. The ocean gives us 50% of our oxygen. The ocean gives us 50% of our food. I mean, those are the wonders of the sea. And then when you see on top of it the beauty of it, then you want to say to yourself, I want to protect it. I want to keep that forever, exactly like that. And this is what the film does. It celebrates beauty and it makes you fall in love with it and therefore protect it. This is what the film is all about. And you will have a great time watching it. Enjoy the film. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Incroyable. Incroyable, incroyable cette projection à Schwarzenegger. Tout le monde connaît cet acteur, tout le monde a aimé au moins un de ses films. Et ce matin j'ai couru, j'étais à la conférence de presse au Nikki Beach là, sur la Croisette. J'ai réussi à rentrer puisque je vous l'annonce, j'ai été choisi pour interviewer les distributeurs pour la Chine du documentaire Wonder of the Sea. C'est un documentaire sur les fonds marins qui, à l'appui de la Leonardo DiCaprio Fondation notamment, qui va faire beaucoup de bruit. Et Schwarzenegger est venu, a fait l'aller-retour en fait depuis Los Angeles pour être présent pour la conférence de presse et la projection. Donc c'est un projet qui lui tient vraiment à cœur. Donc ce sera sur Inside Cannes. On va la tourner dans quelques jours. Ce sera uniquement là et ce sera en français et en chinois. Donc, je vais faire 5 questions en français, 5 questions en chinois. Donc si vous avez des questions à me suggérer pour l'interview, dites-moi. Donc Wonder of the Sea, de quoi parle le documentaire avec Schwarzenegger? En fait, c'est un documentaire sur les fonds marins qui va dénoncer en fait la pollution de la planète. Donc c'est filmé en 4K, en 3D directement dans le boîtier, donc dans la caméra, pas un traitement en post-production, et en macro. Donc je sors de la séance, les images sont juste magnifiques. Vraiment, on n'a jamais vu les fonds marins comme ça. En plus, c'est rythmé avec de la musique. On croirait à un concert, un opéra. C'est vraiment quelque chose d'exceptionnel. Je pense que ça va faire du bruit. Donc ce festival commence très très bien.